welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time knowing of me or clicking onto one of my videos, my name is Neikha. Welcome to my channel. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, if you watch to the end. If not, still give me a big thumbs up. Anyways guys, in today's video I'm going to kick off my fall look with this fierce halo looking eye I hope you guys do enjoy. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in and sticking around with me. I really appreciate you guys. We're almost to 500 subscribers, guys. I am so excited. Hopefully by the time I upload this video we are at 500, because now it is August 18, I think it's August 18 that I'm filming this look, because I'm trying to pre-record videos so that I'm not in a hurry, and now that I'm free and not doing anything, I decided that why not. Anyways guys, I'm going to let you guys go and watch me create this eye look. If you enjoy the video, as I said, leave me a comment down below, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll catch you guys next time. So as mentioned before, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 3502 palette and do my eyelids, but first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lid. I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. Okay, now that I have my eyelid prime, I'm going to go into my palette and I'm going to take these shades. What are their names? Oh wow, what are their names? Well, I'm going to take this shade Ablaze and Brick, which are, let me hold it up this way, which are these two colors, this and this. I'm going to go in with both these colors and pack that into my crease. Now that I think I have this color all packed, I'm going to go in with the brush, nothing on it, and just blend out the edge. Now that I have that down, I'm going to go in with my brush from Still and go into the color called Orb, which is this color here, and go on top of the two colors that I have down. Okay, now that I'm finished, I'm gonna go in with this brush from Elf. It's a blending brush from Elf, and I'm gonna go in with these two colors, which are called Heat and Chestnut, which are these two reddish colors here. So this one and this one, and I'm gonna go on top of my crease color. Going back in with the first brush that I use, I'm going to pick up the two first colors, which are these, and blend out this reddish color. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of Orb, just to blend everybody together. Now that I think everybody is one family and in one accord, I'm going to go into In the Zone and Muddy, which are these two colors right here. This one here and this. I really hope you guys are seeing this one here and this. And I'm going to use it to further deepen my crease. Now that I have that down, I'm going to go into my, where's the second brush? This brush, I think it is. Yes, maybe. I'm gonna go into this brush and use it to blend out the edge using the last two colors that I use, which are chestnut and heat. So these two, and just blend out the edge. Now with that blended, I'm going to go back in with this brush with nothing on it and just blend. Going back with my orb brush, tapping a little bit of orb and blending. Blending is key, guys. Blending is key. Now that I think I have everything done, I'm going to go into, I'm going to grab my concealer. I left my concealer brush. I'm going to go grab it. So I'm back, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm going for this halo looking eye. If you can see how this one is looking, I'm going to attempt to get it as even as possible because I don't know, I can never find the center of this eye for some strange reason. So I'm starting with a little bit on the brush first, like a little bit, and I'm starting in the where I consider to be the middle and working my way up. So after about 10 minutes of trying to find the center of the eye and still not finding it, I think I am done. I think we're done. I'm going to go back, I'm going to go back into my palette with a flat brush that I bought off my favorite store, AliExpress. Oops. And I'm going to go in with the color called Pure, which is this shimmery brown gold color here. I'm going to pack that on my cut crease. I really hope they're even. Whatever. If they're not, sue me. Okay, now that we have that color down, I'm going to go back in with my LA Girl 204 brush and go in with these two colors. They are In the Zone and Muddy, and blend out the edges of the cut crease so it's not as harsh. But I think it's all blended. I'm going to go in with a more precise brush with nothing on it and just blend out the upper portion. And I'm going to tap in a little bit of In the Zone, like 1, 2, knock off the excess and blend. Going in with a little bit of orb and blending everybody together. Now I think I'm finished. I'm going to go in with my, am I done? Yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora black liner and attempt to tight line my eye. Okay, that's as best as I'm going to get. Now guys, I'm going to go off camera, put my lash on, be right back to finish the eye look. So guys, I knew I said I was come back on camera and finish the look. However, I lied. Let me just tuck in these sideburns. Yeah, however, I lied. Look here. Anyways guys, I knew I said I was come back on camera and finish the look, but I lied. So what I did is I put my lashes on, obviously. Then I went into In the Zone and Muddy, press it underneath my lower lash line. Then I went in Ablaze, and this color here, I think it's called Rich, and I use them to smoke out the darker color that I put on my lower lash line. I then went into this gold color here called Pure. I used it as my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlights, and yeah, that's it. Oh, on my lips I have this Annabelle pencil in Espresso and this Maybelline Lippy in number 70 Amazonian, and I did my regular highlights and blush, whatever. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this fall eyeshadow look. If you guys are looking forward to more videos, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you're a new viewer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family, and leave me a comment down below. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're gonna do slow-mo in 3, 2, 1.